releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss and it's coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Gwan peeps, are we there with another one?
Hot shit. Hot shit. Here it comes.
Bang! But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyhow, peeps, no more itching. Right into it.
Boss, I can't believe this. Curfew time and there's a party. You can't believe this. Look at this. Curfew time and there's a party going on right here. Look there. Yeah, no party them, Akim. I'm doing it, Inspector, I'm doing it already. I can't believe this. Curfew hours and they're keeping a party. What time is it now, sir?
Less than 9. Less than 9.
Hello.
I saw me say to go. Go over there, so light. You never said online.
Can't believe this.
Hundreds of them elude us. Go over there, so.
Alright peeps, so here are my thoughts on the whole matter now. Why Jamaica is not a good look. I'm keep on ask everybody what kind of future we want for our children them, you know what I mean? If there is one. We as adults will have to be responsible, you know? We have to do what's right, and I believe we know right, you know what I mean? And that what happened a while ago is clearly a fully dunce behavior. You know why they call it fully dunce behavior? Meaning say you do stupid things, something when it make no sense. So it's not somebody, it's not a word where you can say a measure a man intelligence and say in no sense. I believe every adult have sense. I will know wrong from right. But when you're wrong, people, you know what I mean? So what they must say is 18 person including 2 firefighters was arrested off Orange Villa at off Slipe Road for breaching the Disaster and Risk Management Act. Man, them a keep party. As you clearly couldn't see. Tent, beer, liquor, and beer things. Jamaica, what make on the so? Why? Why? Cause you see why the country are gonna stay locked down forever and be a curfew. Oh no, I come out of the house. Yo, I want to come out of the house. Cause I'm not afraid to tell you, all of this is very frustrating. It ain't easy. I can't go link my friend them. I can't hug who I hug because of all of this stuff I lock up in the house. And the longer we continue doing this, the longer it will take. We don't see how much cases, about 500 in Ghana now. Over 500 now. Why we not just listen? Why we not just listen? So So 18 only get scooped up now and gone, including 2 firefighters who should have even know better. Now keep party, brother. A risk for my health and other people's health. Really? Really, Jamaica? Really? Really? I mean, no say none of them alone at it. I know say enough people still do the thing. And I hide and do the thing. January. Feel a way still to be a Jamaican still because of them actions there. Them things just make we look like we not no sense and the whole of we stupid. You know? That's how I feel embarrassed. You know? Really and truly feel a way still. All we just have to do are listen. I don't know why we rebellious and stay so. But yo, comment down below and let me know what you think about the whole matter, because me vexing you know. You know what I mean? And big up everybody who's up on the front line. Big up the officer them record this. Big up all doctors. Big up everybody where do them thing, you know what I mean? And I stay inside and I try to stay safe. You know what I mean? We can make it through this, you know? I encourage you now. We can make it through this. So boy. Anyway, peeps. Thanks for watching. And just go and journey with your boy. Is it? Shoo!
Yeah.